Kids, it's a long time. We have taken a gap because your exams were going on. So now we are back to our studies, and yes, definitely now I think you all are going used to the online classes, and it is becoming easier for you to understand through the videos. I know it is not that easy, but yes, then also now you have started using the technology. Now you have started using how to go through the videos and how to ask your queries and how to work on the online classes things, right? You all are becoming very good, very intelligent nowadays. So now today we are going to start a new chapter in EVS, that is chapter 7, and the chapter name is Living Together. Okay, so shall we start now? Anita lives in a nice neighborhood in the suburbs of Mumbai. The picture below shows her neighborhood. Observe the picture carefully and answer the question that follows. अब यहाँ पे you can see two questions are mentioned, right? So first what you will do, you will see the picture. Now if we talk about neighborhood, neighborhood means it can be any marketplace, it can be a bank, it can be a school, it can be a hospital. Anything that comes nearby us, is known as our neighborhood, right? So what you have to do is you have to look at the picture clearly shown over here. You can see the picture is shown, and you have to answer the following questions. Now the first question is, name any 3 neighborhood services that are shown in the picture. So you have to tell the 3 services name. Second, list any 2 qualities that make Anita's neighborhood nice. और इस पिक्चर में आपको देखने से कौन सी ऐसी 2 क्वालिटीज़ हैं जो आपको अच्छी लगती हैं, जो अनीता के नेबरहुड को और अच्छा बनाती हैं, राइट? सो नाउ मूविंग फर्दर, आई विल स्टार्ट माई चैप्टर. अ फैमिली कंसिस्ट ऑफ अ स्मॉल ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल लिविंग टुगेदर, राइट? तो अब अगर हम फैमिली की बात करते हैं तो व्हाट इज़ फैमिली? जहाँ पे बहुत थोड़े लोग एक साथ रहते हैं, राइट? एवरी फैमिली लिव्स इन अ हाउस. पीपल लिविंग नियर आवर होम आर नोन एज नेबर्स. जैसे हमारे जो पड़ोसी, तो जो हमारे पड़ोस में रहते हैं लोग, उनको हम क्या बोलते हैं? नेबर्स. ऑल द नेबर्स एंड देयर हाउसेस टुगेदर फॉर्म अ नेबरहुड. ठीक है, तो जो लोग बगल में रहते हैं उन्हें हम बोलते हैं नेबर्स, और जो आसपास के जो सारे घर रहते हैं, क्योंकि नेबर्स कहाँ रहेंगे? घरों में रहेंगे, तो उनको हम बोलते हैं नेबरहुड. डिफरेंट पीपल लिविंग टुगेदर इन नेबरहुड मेक अप अ कम्युनिटी. अब कम्युनिटी मीन्स हमारा एक एरिया है, एक सोसाइटी है, वहाँ पे अलग अलग लोग रहते हैं जो अलग अलग रिलीजन्स के हो सकते हैं, अलग अलग कास्ट के हो सकते हैं. वो हमारा क्या फॉर्म करते हैं? कम्युनिटी फॉर्म करते हैं. डिफरेंट पीपल लिविंग इन अ कम्युनिटी आर इंगेज इन डिफरेंट ऑक्यूपेशंस. यस, आई टॉक अबाउट योर सोसाइटी और योर कॉलोनी. सब एक ही प्रोफेशन में नहीं होंगे, सबका अलग अलग काम होगा. कोई टीचर होगा, कोई इंजीनियर होगा, कोई डॉक्टर होगा, राइट? सो एवरी नेबरहुड पर्सन is engaged in a different kind of a occupation, and they help each other to earn their livelihoods. This is called the division of labor, where all people living in community share the work. We all are dependent on each other for our basic needs. Yes, sometimes it happens, we are very dependent on the people nearby us. In earlier times, people lived in the caves or on trees. They hunted wild animals for their food. After some time, they realized that hunting and moving in groups made their lives easier. Later, they learned to grow food grains and started living a settled life. They have made groups of huts together because they had understood the importance of living together in a neighborhood. They could now share their joys and sorrows with each other. Living together provides us security, protection, help, and emotional support. We depend on our neighbors for their help and emotional support. We celebrate functions and festivals with our neighbors. Our neighborhood provides us with various services like hospitals, schools, post office, banks, markets, and parks. The services of doctors, nurses, teachers, postmen, and many people are provided by these institutions. Right? So now if I talk about Planet Protector Act. What is Planet? All the members of the community should behave responsibly. They should cooperate with others and respect everyone. This would make the world a wonderful place to live in. Earlier, neighborhoods because neighborhoods used to be small, hence everyone knew about their neighbors. Now if I talk about ki very small means, now if we talk about the society, we see the buildings, we see the colonies are so big, but in earlier times they were very small, so everyone was knowing about the neighbors कि हमारे बगल में कौन रहता है, क्या करते हैं लोग, right? How, what is the nature of the people. But now it is not so possible. Because why? Because everyone is very busy, everyone is working, and they don't have time to spend with the others. Nowadays people lead very busy life, and they hardly get time to meet people in the neighborhood. However, in such cases, neighborhood associations plays a significant role in uniting people and promoting interactions. Neighborhoods Association, also called RWA, that is Resident Welfare Association. Everyone, please, you have to underline this line. I can ask you the full form of RWA. So what you will write? Residents Welfare Association are made up of representatives of the people living in the neighborhood. They are formed to initiate and maintain a wide range of programs and activities. They also meet the needs of the people and solve their disputes. Now is social insect. Like human beings, animals also find it beneficial to live in groups. The true social insects have a real family life. Ant, bees, termites and wasps are some social insects. Amongst them, ants are considered to be the most successful social insects. All these insects live in organized communities in which members depend on one another. Living in group helps them to search for food easily. They also feel safe when they are in groups. A community of social insects is called a colony. Please underline this line. A community of social insect is called colony. Okay children, today I am ending over here. Tomorrow I will be back with the same chapter, new topic. Please see the video carefully, read the lines very carefully, and you can ask me doubts in the doubt classes.